Oh, you're going to go have cake now? I missed lunch today, so I'm quite hungry myself.
Huh? Cake? What are you talking about?
Oh, am I mistaken? I thought I heard something about delicious pancakes. No matter. Well, see you tomorrow.
Welcome to the 25 sub special of Dining with the Roaches, where today we're going to be looking at the real hero of Persona 5, the Pancakes. These pancakes in question, despite coming from a Japanese game, I feel like are probably American pancakes instead of those massive fluffy Japanese ones, or crepes. Now American akechi cakes are actually pretty basic, so there's not really much I can do to agadine it up, but they still taste really great, so let's get to it. First off, we're mixing 200 grams of self-raising flour with 1 tablespoon of golden caster sugar and infuse it with 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. From there, make sure there's a well in the middle and add in your eggs, that you made sure are fresh to begin with, and your milk. Then just electric whisk it together until you get batter that looks like pancake batter. It's really basic, I can't compare it to much. Now put a little bit of butter in a frying pan you got from a different JRPG, and once it's melted, put your batter in. Wait until the edges start to form bubbles before you start to flip it. If you maxed out your cut stat, then you can flip these pancakes just by shaking the frying pan, but otherwise use the end of the spatula to just sort of go around the edges. Then you can turn it over. And once you're done, providing you didn't ruin them, you got 8 delicious pancakes. You can dust these with icing sugar, add some strawberries, put some ice cream near it, whatever you like. Or you can just use syrup. Hey, thanks for watching my newest video, and thanks for like the 25 subs. It's kinda mad this video took so long to come out. I mean, I've got 30 subscribers now. At like a new Discord, so yeah. That being said, if you want to join the Discord, just check in the description below. I've also got a Twitter, you guys can like, follow. Just, if you want to join the Discord, we're just going to be talking about like a bunch of dumb stuff, recipes. You can give me new ideas on what to cook and everything like that, so it'd be nice to just, be able to talk to you guys. Anyways, that's enough about me. Let me tell you about my boy Nyarly. If you want SMT videos, you want to check this guy out. This man does challenge runs, and legit, some of my favorite videos are on this guy's channel. Like, I am a sucker for lore on anything, so do yourself a favor and check out his Demons of SMT series. Anyways, that's it. Join my Discord, join my Twitter, subscribe, I'll do all of it.
My bones.